In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photos using Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're a total beginner or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through a simple but powerful photo editing process to make your images pop. Let's dive into the world of digital editing. First, you'll need to access Adobe Photoshop. Open up the software on your computer or device. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from Adobe's official website. Once Photoshop is open, familiarize yourself with the layout. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, soon you'll find that the tools are intuitive and easy to use. Once you're set up, it's time to add your image. You can do this by either dragging and dropping the image file into Photoshop, or by navigating to File, then Open, and selecting your image from where it's stored on your device. It's important to ensure that the image you're working on is of high quality so you can achieve the best editing results. With your image loaded, the next step is to select the area you want to enhance. In this example, we'll focus on selecting the teeth of a person in the image. To do this, you can use the selection tools available in Photoshop. Options such as the lasso tool or the quick selection tool are great for more precise or larger areas. Carefully outline the teeth, ensuring the selection is tight but accurate. Spend a little extra time here to achieve a natural looking result. Now that your selection is made, it's time to enhance, adjust, or highlight the selected area. This is where you can really get creative. Head over to the adjustments panel. You can play around with the brightness, contrast, exposure, and even the hue saturation settings to achieve your desired look. For a tooth whitening effect, slightly increasing the brightness and lowering the saturation could deliver excellent results. Make sure to zoom in and out to see how the edit looks in different contexts. Once you're satisfied with the enhancements, it's important to save your work to avoid losing your edits. Navigate to File, then Save As, and choose the desired file format. For high-quality use, saving as a TIFF file is recommended, but for sharing online or for more compressed file sizes, JPEG works well. Don't forget to clearly name your file and choose a location that's easy for you to find later. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can enhance specific parts of your images like a pro. Keep practicing, explore different tools and effects in Photoshop, and before you know it, you'll be editing like a seasoned designer. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Remember, creativity is your only limit in photo editing, so have fun with it.